Well, can you believe that Christmas is less than 10 days away? If you haven't checked everyone off of your list yet, we're here to help. Lifestyle expert Chassie Post has some of her last-minute gift guide picks.
A gift that really has my attention to collect holiday memories, especially if you have boxes and albums full of older photos like me. You'll just love this. It's the Epson Fast Photo Wireless Photo Scanner. And as the world's fastest personal photo scanner, it digitizes, saves, and organizes your irreplaceable photos and documents quickly. As fast as 1 photo per second, front and back, which saves so much time. Now, it also has custom software, even brings new life to old photos with auto enhancement, color restoration, red eye reduction, and more. Now, for storing and sharing your photos, a perfect holiday gift to help family and friends collect, organize, and privately share their photos and videos is eBee, a smart photo manager from SanDisk. It has 1 terabyte of storage, which is approximately 250,000 photos or 100 hours of video. Easily access your saved photos and videos anywhere with the eBee mobile app, and even invite others to add photos to shared albums from vacations, weddings, and more. No subscription fees, and it's available at Best Buy. Want to impress the chef in your life, this will definitely do it. It's KitchenAid's Artisan 5-quart tilt head stand mixer. With over 10 different powered attachments, this really opens up culinary possibilities to make everything from fresh pasta to ice cream. And it has the capacity to mix up to 9 dozen cookies or even 7 pounds of mashed potatoes. So you can choose from over 40 colors to match their personality and their kitchen. You can even customize the bowl with a unique texture and design like this ink watercolor patterned ceramic bowl. We've got a great holiday movie on our list. Just in time for Christmas, Buttons, A Christmas Tale is a new heartwarming musical film featuring a star-studded cast that includes screen legends Dick Van Dyke and Angela Lansbury, with narration by Kate Winslet and Robert Redford. It's perfect for the whole family. The film follows 2 orphans in the early 1900s whose only wish is to find a home for Christmas. With a little help from their guardian angels, they discover that miracles do happen. The DVD is available now from Paramount. A great creative gift idea is from Minted. You can create memorable wall art as presents for family and friends with their unique photo art gifts. They're personalized with your photos printed on premium matte paper and framed with high-quality materials. And all the designs are sourced from their global community of independent artists, starting at just $29, and that's framed. So just text your photo and a Minted stylist will text you back 3 photo gift designs selected especially for you and styled with your photos for free. For more on everything, go to inthenews.tv, and happy holidays.
Thanks, Chassie. If you're still scrambling for some last-minute gift ideas, head over to inthenews.tv. They've got great insights on trending gifts, tech gifts, and so much more. Happy shopping, everyone, and good luck out there.